Hi, this is Anne from SVG Cut File, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse weed permanent or non-permanent vinyl. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I've cut two pieces of vinyl that are pretty much the same. This has a lot of tiny pieces. I don't know if you can really see those, but these two are exactly the same. And first I want to show you how to do regular weeding. So what we would do, we just peel the backing up, and then you would try to get each piece to stay on the sheet. Right now it's working pretty good, but I'm sure you've come across lots of designs where the little pieces want to come up onto the vinyl part. So when that happens, we of course I know I have an X-Acto knife. It's not the greatest tool, but it's all I have handy right now. I don't know what happened to my regular tool. So after we get everything all peeled up and everything all weeded like this, this one actually did really well. So this is the final result. And then we just take our transfer tape and put it right over it. And then get it on there pretty good. Do this on both sides. And then pull the transfer tape off. All the parts of the design will come off with it. And then we just go ahead and stick it to the project. Now when you reverse weed, you actually put the transfer tape on first. So I'm going to cover the design completely with the transfer tape. And then of course we'll use our scraper tool to really press it down on there on both sides. And now we can grab the edge of our transfer tape. It's just an opposite way of doing it. So you can see it's pulling it off really smoothly, although the other way was doing okay this time. And we've got the same result. Now we can just center the vinyl on our project. Use our scraper to press it down and then peel back the transfer tape. I like to peel at like a 180-degree angle so that it just pulls cleanly off. This also really depends on what you're putting it on. Whenever I put it on something like this, it does really well. Comes right off usually. But on rubbery type surfaces, I've had a lot more trouble. And that's it. We can kind of scrape this on to make sure it stays. And we are done. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.